Aaron, what do you think this was?
An alien spaceship that fell down from space from 20 years ago.
From 20 years ago? See if I can get further back, get a better shot of it. Oh, that's the front of it. Okay. That makes sense. There's Jen. Can you wave? That's fantastic. So we're here at the Bowman Spaceship. It's the UFO Welcome Center. We're at roadside attraction here in beautiful Bowman, South Carolina. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm equally as intrigued as you are. Wow. This is sketchy, putting it lightly.
Did you get Kayla too?
In the middle.
Get one with Kayla.
About as far up as I want to go. This is pretty cool though. Excuse me.
Did you go up to the top?
No, I'm not quite brave enough.
Oh. My friend's already up there.
I heard him up there.
They're
yeah.
testing it for you.
All right. Yeah. What sign?